YouTube in the building. I hope you guys are doing well. If you were looking up the secret mindset on how to grow your YouTube channel, which we'll be going over in a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. And watch to the end of the video so you can see the best secret. My name is Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Too Great. If you're looking how to grow your YouTube channel, make money with YouTube, consider subscribing. If you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face, check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. Secret 1. Guys, you need to have a goal set in place when you're creating your YouTube channel. Why? I'm gonna create a visual for you guys. When you're first starting out, pretend you are at ground level and your YouTube goal is the top of the mountain. You know, imagine once you reach that top of the mountain, that beautiful feeling on, you feel warm inside, you feel the sense of accomplishment, you have the beautiful views of the nearby mountains, of nature, of the sky, and you have that warm feeling inside that you accomplished something that wasn't easy, but you feel great that you made it up to the top. It's gonna be that same feeling when you reach your goal with YouTube. Now, when you reach the top of the mountain, you think you just teleported there? No. So what you need to do is have your tools ready, have a game plan set in stone in order for you to reach that top of the mountain. I hope that makes sense. Now, when I'm talking about tools, right, you're not just gonna come in with a t-shirt and shorts to reach the top of the mountain, right? You're gonna come with layers of clothing. You're gonna have your food, water, your tent, in order for you to combat the obstacles that the mountain presents itself. Same thing with YouTube. You're gonna need a phone or a laptop. You're gonna need an internet connection to upload your videos. You're gonna need a thumbnail creator to create your thumbnails, right? So these are the basic tools needed in order for you to become successful with YouTube. Now, what are you gonna do to go back to that visual when a mountain lion creeps up on you, right? Or as you get higher and higher in the mountain and then it starts getting colder, what are you gonna do to prevail under those circumstances? Same thing with YouTube. You build some momentum up. What are you gonna do when someone leaves hate comments under your videos? Let's say you made the perfect video and you anticipated 100,000 views, but ended up getting 2 views, right? What are you gonna do under those circumstances to prevail and keep growing to reach that mountaintop? Now, some common goals that you guys might have are, reaching 1,000 subscribers or 100 million views. But guys, that's not always the main goal. Sometimes you guys just wanna be the next biggest influencer. Maybe you just wanna make entertaining content that makes people laugh, right? Or you just wanna monetize your channel and make money with the YouTube channel, right? Through ad revenue, through sponsorships, or whatever the case may be, right? But the important thing is have a goal, set up your tools, and have that game plan ready. Comment down below what your goal is with YouTube. I would love to hear it and I will respond to you guys in the comment section below. Secret number 2. Guys, it's all about taking action. And what I mean by taking action is you have to start today. Do not make the habit of putting it out to the side tomorrow or I'll get to it later. Because what ends up happening is that's gonna be your routine. I just put it out to the side. It's gonna, not even make up a video in the first place. And what you're doing is you're stunning your growth. You're not gonna grow a YouTube channel if you do not start today. So many people get caught up with you have to make 50 or 100 great videos from the start. They have that overwhelmed feeling and they don't even start to begin with at all, so they produce 0 videos. But guys, it's not like that. YouTube is a marathon. It is not a race. It's not a sprint. You're not in competition with nobody, right? There's no finish line. It's just all about who can stay in the game the longest. So work at your own pace. If you could only upload a video a week, that's perfectly fine. Just go at your level, what you got going on. Everyone has life circumstances going on. Work at your own pace. And the thing is, there is no competition. Don't look at the big channels and, minimize yourself or think you're lesser than them, right? I hope that makes sense because you're just starting out. So you just have to put yourself out there, make that first video, and you're just in competition with yesterday's self. So it's all about getting 1% better the next day, getting 1% video with your next video. So that's all it is. Put yourself out there, start creating content, and start improving yourself. But it's all about starting today, taking that action, and growing. Most definitely, if you're enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Now wait till the last secret. If you're in this point in the video, you waited for the last and best secret. Here it is, guys. And this one is overlooked so many times. I hear this out and most of the YouTube community, everyone's fussing about it. You do not need the best equipment to start out. Guys, you do not need that $5,000 camera or the best lighting or even the best editing software, guys. You just need, you know, the ability to put yourself out there and start recording, whether that's, you know, putting your face in front of the phone and smiling, or recording outside, or whatever your video is about. It's all about just putting yourself out there and creating it. Work with what you have. If you just have, you know, your regular iPhone or Samsung, begin with that and work up to whatever camera that you want. If you don't have lights, use the sunlight coming in. Open up your shades, brighten up those windows bright, make sure that sunlight's coming in, and you should be good to go. I remember my first video, I literally had books and Tupperware stacked up. I had a candle to recline it against, and I had the blinds open so the sunlight could come in. And that's how I started my first video. It's all about putting yourself out there, getting in the habit of I could do this, and that's that great habit. You're gonna keep putting yourself out there. You're gonna keep pushing yourself to keep getting better. And once you have that goal in mind, you're just thinking about that goal, you're gonna keep going harder and harder with every video you put out. That's the end of the video. That's all I have for you guys today. Check out this video right here if you want to check out part 2 to more secrets to building and growing your YouTube channel. Subscribe to Tube Great if you enjoy the content, and most definitely check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint if you want to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. Have a great one. Peace out.